Hey everyone, we will talk about in this video about booleans in JavaScript, which is simple but powerful concept. Values of true and false that are the backbone of control flow and decision making in code. These binary values are integral to programming as they represent state on and off, yes or no nature. In JavaScript, Boolean's value must be written in all lowercase, like true and false. Is important to ensure correct spelling and casing, as variations like true or false can be caused through an errors. Booleans, sometimes informally referred to as flags, can be used to track application states, toggle features, or confirm the existence of value. For example, a Boolean flag such as is logged in and could be used to determine whether a user has been authenticated. Variables in JavaScript can be set with Boolean's value, initializing states that could change over the interaction span with the program, like let user has interacted, might be set at the start, only switching to true when a user performs any action such as clicking a button or completing a form. JavaScript provides operators to compare values, and these comparisons yield Boolean results. These comparison operators include first one is assignment operator, which is something like equal to, and then this is just for uh, checking the just values are equals. So if you are going to check values and the values type is also equal, then you need to write three equals like this one. So if the values is not equal, then it will be like something this one. And this will be ensure the values and value type both are not equal. And the another operator, which is the greater than and less than, this is the greater than and this is the less than, and another operator which is to verify if the value is greater than or equal to, and then less than or equal to, and where is double equal checks the value equality with type if necessary. A common mistake even seasoned developers encounter is confusing the assignment operator like this one with comparison operators double equal or strict equality. This is called strict equality. This is assignment operator and this is comparison operator and this is strict equality. Consider the case like something let A equal to 1, another variable let B equal to 1. So if we are going to check like this, A equal B, then it would be true because we are going to check just the values. So values of A is 1, B is a inside a string, but it is the 1. So is it true? Now we are going to check the strict equality operator. I will be use the three equals, and then I will be use the second variable name, which is b, and this is false. this is false because this one is the variables type is number and this is variable type is string. So this is a false. The same, furthermore, logical operators like and, or, and, not. These are the logical operators, and expressions like 5 greater than 3 is evaluate 5 is greater than 3 is condition is true. And now if I am going to expand this condition and another parameter like 2 less than 4, so this is true because both conditions are true. So this, in this way, and is work. And if I gonna write in the same condition, but I will change some here, or, and like this, it's still true because both conditions are true. If I will be change something like this, 2 greater than 4, that is still true because one condition is false, this one is false, and this one is true. And or is work of either it should be one condition should be true and one condition can be false. So if I'm gonna use something like this, and I make it, see, because now both conditions are false, so this is false. And always text, both left and right conditions should be the true, but or condition or logical operators is only check either one condition is true or either one condition is false. So it could be result could be a true, and the not is always checks either is it true or false. In conditional statements such as if or while, the booleans returned from a condition decides a subsequent control flow, whether to execute a block of code or take a particular course of action. Understanding booleans in JavaScript is essential for writing effective control structures, performing comparisons, and correctly executing conditional logic based on program state. There are foundational to creating dynamic behaviors, validating conditions, and separating the execution flow of your stripes and applications. So if you found value in this video and it's helped you in any way, I had be grateful if you could show your support, give it thumbs up, share it with others who may benefit from it, and hit that subscribe button if you have not already. Stay positive, keep coding, and I truly appreciate you taking the time to watch. See you in the next video.